Hey, welcome to Chief Architect 3D Viewer. Chief Architect 3D Viewer, I use a program called Chief Architect. And this is a little sub-program that you can download from the web called 3D Viewer that works with Chief Architect. What I like to do is I like to send my clients a model of their project. I send them a model of their project in email, and I'm going to just take you through the steps of how I would suggest you utilize this. Here's the email that I just sent to myself, but it's essentially what my clients would get. And they click on this 3D viewer, and it's going to open up here, and I'm going to load the model. I'm not sure, but you might need to download a program, but I'm sure it'll tell you what to do. Anyway, I'm going to load this model right here, and I want to take you through the steps on how to see this thing. By the way, I made a mistake. I'm already in Safari. I use a Mac, so I'm in Safari, and I don't want to use Safari. So I'm going to quit this. Well, it's going to open up like this. Stop. Excuse me. Just so you know, it just opened up. It just opened up. And I'm using Safari here. And I'll tell you, if you use a Mac and use Safari, not a good idea. But I'm going to take you through this and show you how much better it is when you use a browser other than Safari. So let me see. So here's the model, and I've already opened it up. And by the way, it's low definition. I'm going to take you through about 4 steps you need to do to use this effectively. It's in low definition. First of all, first step, click high definition. Click high definition. Now it's located. It's loading a high definition model. Pause. Okay, just so you know, I went from low definition to high definition, so now I'm in a high definition mode. This took about 4 minutes to download, and I'm on a fast Mac, so I'm not sure how fast it's going to be on your computer. Now remember, I'm still using Safari, which I don't think is my favorite browser for this, but I'm going to take you through the steps. So first of all, you go from low definition to high definition. Next thing you do is, look, you can look right here. You can hit Plan View. I'm showing you these different steps. There's your plan view, and play with these buttons over here. I don't like them. This is another view right here. See this little square right here that I'm clicking? I don't like that either, because now I've got these controls right here. This is my favorite mode. That's my favorite mode. So first of all, when the model opens, go to HD, high definition, then go to this right here, and now you've got the model, and you can start spinning it around. And oh, I know why I don't like this. I don't like this because I don't think I can go full screen with this with this browser. And I'm going to show you the difference. Anyway, I'm going to keep going. So low definition, go to high definition, then click this right here to get into this mode right here, and you can spin it. You can move in and out with the scroll wheel, move in and out with the scroll wheel, press the left button down and spin it, and with the right button, you can move it like this. So you have pretty much control. But now suppose you want to see the inside of the house. Inside of the house, cross section. I like to use this button right here. Click that button right there. Now you see what's happening? Now you can watch the house grow up, up to the second floor, to the roof, and cut it back down to the first floor if you want. And then, of course, you can suppose you want to look at it like you can click this one here, and now you can see what's happening. You see what's happening? So you really have a lot of control over this. And I apologize for this poor quality, but I'm on Safari, and I'm going to show you the difference in a minute. So anyway, I'm going to show you the difference in a minute. But that's essentially what I wanted to show you. So I want to get out of cross-section mode, get back into cross-section mode. See this arrow up here? Cross-section mode, not cross-section mode. And remember when the model opened up, I went to from low definition to high definition, and then I clicked this little square right here, and then something else. I'm going to pause this for a second, then I'm going to open this up in my other browser, which I use is Google Chrome. And I'm going to open up that same model. I'm in Google Chrome, and I'm going to view it like this. I'm going to just view it like this. I don't think you can. This is my own secret little thing. So I think you'll follow this. So now I'm opening it up in Google Chrome. I'm going to pause. Okay, this took about 30 seconds and it's going to open up in low definition mode. It's going to open up in low definition mode. Pause. Okay, that took another minute. So I suppose I'm into it. Once I started opening up the model, I'm into it for maybe 2 minutes. And now I'm in low definition mode, low definition mode. And now I'm about to go to high definition. Remember, I'm going to press this HD. And it's probably going to be about 4 minutes before it converts into high definition. So I'm going to press this, put it on pause. Press HD. Now it's going into high definition. I'm going to put this on pause. Okay, I'm back on. It took about 4 minutes to download, to convert the low definition to a high definition. Low definition, now it's high definition. Next step, remember, you come over here, right here, right here. Click this box right here. See my arrow? Click that box there. And then it's going to get rid of these controls. It gets rid of these controls. So you're using the mouse, and it's just better. Okay, now remember, I'm in Chrome right now. I'm not in Safari, and I like this much better. And so now I have the option of, look, right down here at the bottom, right here at the bottom, full screen, full screen. There, now I'm in full screen. You can see my whole screen taking it up. And now you go to your cross-section slider. And, well, before I do that, I'm just going to spin this around. I can spin this around a bit. And then I can, that's left button. Right button, I can move it left and right. With my scroll button, I can move in and out. I can, left button, spin it up and down. Now let's go ahead and use this cross-section slider. And now I can start moving this up like this, and so I can look at the house. And you can spin around and look at whatever you want. That's the end. Thank you.